could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that. So guys, we are here at lane 7 in St James's Quarter. Today I'm just going to show you a look about and maybe just get a wee game of bowls to show you what it has to offer. It's £8.50 for one off-peak, one game. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. But let's get into it. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? You're all that you, I had you gone. I'm right. You're all that you, right. You're all that you, I had you gone. I'm right. You're all that you, right. You're all that you, I had you gone. I'm right. You're all that you. I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go?
So guys, that is lane 7 in Edinburgh at St James's Quarter near Princes Street. I fairly enjoyed myself guys, so get down there, check it out and let me know in the comments what you think of the place. But if you're new here guys, please subscribe and like the channel. It's much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care.